Learn stuff fast. Take data from a column to a row in Excel. Okay, so let's say that we're in this situation here where we have a column that has some states in it, but we'd like to have these in separate columns so that we can expound on things underneath of them. Right now, if I wanted to take these and I wanted to make them into headings for the columns, I'd have to go in here and individually click them. So that's control copy this guy, control paste that guy. I'd have to do that along the entire population of stuff that I have in this column. I don't want to do that because I don't want to take that kind of time. Here where I only have a few, it's not a big deal. But if I had 400, that would be different. So what we're going to do is this. We are going to try to add in a formula and see if we can autofill it. So if I want this to equal this, I can do that, push enter. Now I got it. Now, if I want to do this and copy it over, it's just going to give me Ohio. It's not going to upgrade this number. It's just going to copy it over. So if we want to do that, we're going to have to clear this out and we have to figure out a way to have the autofill function make our number go up beside the B so that we can copy down. So here's how we can do that using a little trick. I'm going to say that this column or this cell is equal to this, because I'm going to go ahead and start it right here with the Ohio. So I'm going to have this. I'm not going to put in the equal sign because we've already shown that the formula won't autofill. So if I make this B4, and I'm calling this B4 because Michigan's B4. If I look at the last thing I need, gas is the last thing I need. So I'm going to grab this guy by the bottom corner and I'm going to go over here till I see B11. Notice that now we have these all in here. So you're like, Sean, this isn't getting us anywhere. We don't have any pull here. There's no formulas. This is just calling out cells. Well, here's the trick. If I go in and I highlight these guys and I go to find and select and I use my replace function, I can replace those B's. And I'm going to replace them with equal B's. I'm going to hit this replace all. And look at that. We're all done. We made 8 replacements. Get rid of this guy. So now we have all of the list as headers. Or if you have any other kind of thing you need to do where you need to take a row or a column and make it a row, you can do this pretty easily that way. Now, here's the weird thing we have to do next. If I highlight these guys and I delete them, I'm left with bad formulas. So let's Control Z out of that. So how can we fix this? Well, all we're going to do is we're going to click the row. I'm going to right click on the row and I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to click on the row again, right click, and I'm going to paste values. So that gets rid of the formulas. It just gives me the values. Now I can come in here, delete these guys. And I did what I set out to do. Now, me being me, I want to go in here and I want to center them up. There we go. And that's how you convert a column into a row in Excel.